Welcome guys in Slovenia. We are here in Gorenska region. Looking at the mountains. Over those mountains there is Austria. And today today we are going to the Lesce airport there. Yeah. So yeah, we will go to the airport. We will look at the airplanes. Okay. No F-16s. Sorry guys. No F-16s. But yeah. Let's go see the fucking airport. Okay. Yeah. Okay. We go to Lesce airport, you guys. Okay. Look the mountains. Yeah. There's Lake Bled all over there. Motherfucker. What the fuck is this? No, go away from me. The flies. I'm the fly master again. See? So many flies. My god. Anyway, I don't know if the camera caught it or not. Anyway, this is the Lesce airport. I don't know what happened yesterday. I think they had like a concert or something. Yeah. They had something. Something was happening here. Anyway. Yeah, that's the airport, guys. That's the airport. He wants to kill me. I want to kill you. Oh. Anyway, from Koper, pizda. From the seaside, he come here. 100 kilometers away. Okay. See? Okay. There we go. Radolca. Radovlica is the name of the city that's next to this. Yeah, he fought, and then he got deleted. I will delete him. Anyway, let's go to the airport, guys. Yeah. Oh. Ooh. Anyway. Yeah. Who the fuck is this guy? What the fuck? Yeah, he's doing his thing. Anyway, who the fuck is this guy? I don't know. And I don't know what he did. But yeah, yesterday they had a party here, I'm sure. And this guy is he's cleaning up, okay.
Zmaga ma več denarja.
To pa itak, po vseh stvareh.
Ne tako. Da je zelo bolj sposoben, bomo več keša. Če ga ne bojiš videti.
He's a funny guy.
Ne, avtomatik. Naravnim, ko vse. Ne rabimo brez.
Look, BMW without the mask. Drift Dreams Club. Okay. Oh, it's actually a nice car. Oh, there's a girlito. Okay. Oh. She's not a bad girlito, man. I will steal her from whoever is sweet. Yeah. Anyway, let's go check the plane. Hey, the place, the hangar. And Yeah, let's go check the. Oh, Tuborg. Yeah. Anyway, let's go check the planes, okay? Uh, Sorry, drunk Slovenians, guys. Drunk Slovenians. Yeah. Pizda. Okay, here we have the planes, guys. Okay, let's go check out the planes, guys. Okay. There we have Moby Dick. Okay, guys. Okay. Let's get serious, guys. Okay. Yeah, today we are checking out the planes. So, light planes. Okay, light planes. This is one plane. Oh, it's quite nice, no? If I was a plane, I would be like this. I would like this plane. Okay. If I was buying a plane, I would buy like this plane. This plane looks nice. No. Oh, yes. Anyway, then you have another planes. But yeah, I would buy this one. It's pretty nice, no? Anyway, okay. Jolie, I love you. LYU. Yeah, that one is for Jolie. Yeah, this one. No, but that one is slick, guys. Look. That plane is fucking slick. Yeah. Yeah, I would buy that one. But yeah, we have other planes. The nose plane, huh? Okay. No, I'm in love with that one. That one is a Ferrari of planes, you know. And you see, we have mountains, we have everything, man. Okay. This one is German. Look, he has a German flag on the back. See. You see what I mean? Okay. That's a Nazi plane. That's for Nazis. This one is also not bad. Trinidad Republic. Well, this one maybe I would buy this one as well. You know. Yeah, it doesn't look bad. Huh? And then we have other planes. A lot of planes. Yeah. That one also doesn't look so bad. The German plane, yeah. But no, I don't like the German plane. This one looks slicker, no? Look, the propeller. I think this one is better. Yeah, look at the nose. Yeah, this one looks better. Yeah, another one. I don't like this one. So, yeah. I don't know, guys. You decide. You want to buy this jet plane? Huh? You want to buy this jet plane? I don't know. So yeah, we are here at Lesce airport in the middle of Gorenska region of Slovenia. And yeah, Big Joe is just walking around the planes. Yeah, would you fucking buy this plane? Look how cheap this looks. Look. I mean, this plane looks like very cheap. Okay. Anyway, I'm walking down the runway of the Lesce airport. Fuck. You cannot do this, guys, in every country, okay? You can only do this in Slovenia, okay? And there's the mountain behind it, yeah? Thank you. So this one, I think this plane is quite nice. But I think this one drops out the parachuters, you know? If you want to go skydiving, yeah? How do you call it? Skydiving, yeah? I think, yeah, this plane will take you up and then it will drop you off. And yeah. Anyways, we are here in Lesce airport. Look. Yeah, we are watching planes today. We are doing the plane watching, fucking plane watching. Okay. Yeah, and we have mountains behind. And I already told you behind those mountains over there, the Kamnik Alps. There's Austria after that, yeah. So Schwabenland, Schwabenland, where Hitler was born. Yes, over those mountains. Yes. Oh, what happened to this plane? Poor guy. See, poor guy, poor guy, poor guy. He got left behind. He doesn't even have the wheels. Okay. Anyway, we are plane watching. So I know, guys. I know. You want to see the two legs and Esitos, but yeah, no, sorry, guys. Today only planes. Today only planes, and yeah, Big Joe. Yeah, that's all you get. You know, that's all you get for today. Next day, next time, we will go like Girlito watching. What the fuck is this plane? It's like really small. Okay. And yeah. See, they had something there. They had something. They had a party. They fucking had a party. I knew it. I knew they had a party. I missed the yesterday party. They're removing the fences. I don't know why they fucking put the fences up, but okay. Oh yeah. Okay, well, let's go back to the plane. This is a model P96 Golf 100 S5 PCO plane from Slovenia. Okay, that's the airport. Anyway, yeah. Let's go to the abandoned plane. Abandoned plane. Okay, so it's grounded. See, it's grounded. It has a beton thingy, yeah. And the long wing. Oh, Big Joe can put his hand inside the plane. Look. Big Joe puts his hands on the wheel. Yeah, Big Joe's like the plane. Oh, fuck. Okay. So yeah, and there you go, guys. I put you inside. Anyway, that was the abandoned plane. Radujemy się. Okay. Anyway, abandoned plane with the wrapped up nose, whatever that means. Yeah, Lesce airport, guys. Pičku mater. I just hit myself with this little grass here. Yeah, grasshopper. That one is still operational. That one, see, that one is still operational. We have that one operational. That one operational. That one operational. That one. Oh, we have many operational planes. Anyway, yeah, this is Lesce airport. You know, Slovenia. Yeah. And yeah, they had a concert or something last night here, I think. Yeah, because it was Friday or Saturday. What fuck it was yesterday? Saturday, I think. Saturday, yes. So they had a big party here. Big Joe missed the big party. Fuck, Big Joe always misses the big parties. Anyway, yeah. Yeah, look, now they're driving with the fences. Oh, I like it. Big Joe enjoys scenes like this, you know. Big Joe enjoys scenes like this when there are drunk Slovenian people in my videos. Yes. Okay. Yes. Big Joe enjoys that. Kurwa. Slovenska. Anyway, Yeah. We have airplanes. Yes. I remember, guys. Now, I remember, guys. We came here for airplanes. So I will show you airplanes. Yeah. If we had some nice pichkas, I mean some nice pussies, Big would show you that. But okay, we don't. Oh, okay. So this thingy. Yeah. Left, right. Okay. Yeah. Almost hit my head on this airplane. Yeah, this is slick. He looks like a spermie, you know. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, guys. Yeah, the airplanes. Yeah, the airplanes. I would still buy that one. That one I like the most. The Expel. The Expel, German. That one I would buy if I was buying planes here. I would buy that one. Okay. So yeah, they're still collecting the fences. Whoa, what the fuck? How the fuck do I get out of this fences thingy? Okay. There he goes. He collected all the fences, you know. Yeah. I don't know what this is about, but yeah, it's always nice to watch other people work, you know. I'm just standing here doing nothing, and we're watching other people work. That's the best thing you can do in life. Okay. Anyway, yeah, we have the mountains there, the plains here. I just wanted to show you my German plane there. Okay. Yeah. But yeah, that's basically fucking it. Okay. Yeah. Should we make conversation with the working guys? No, I don't think so. But yeah, if it was a working girl, I would go there and talk to her. But yeah, working guys not so interesting, you know. Oh, pičku mater. See, hard working guys, hardcore man, hardcore. Yeah. Oh, there's a girl. Let's go talk to the girlito. Anyway, Lesce airport, guys. Lesce airport. What you looking at? You want me to fuck you up? Yeah, you want. Okay. Anyway, oh, there's the girlito. But I think she has a kidito, so. But she has nice posture, no? She has nice posture. Let's go to the girlito. See how the law of attraction is working? It's attracting Big Joe to the girlito. See? Yeah. The law of attraction, guys. The law of attraction. No. So yeah, you have like a kids park here. With the flags. Oh, and we have a bar. You're in Slovenia. You can always have a beer in Slovenia. Yeah? So yeah. The cleaner guys. The whatever guys. And yeah. Okay. That was like basically Lesce airport. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I showed you the ass, guys. Okay. You need the gloves. 10 fingers. My God. Okay. Yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Be sure to like, share, subscribe with that, whatever that was. Be sure to like, share, subscribe. Comment, yeah, comment down below. And yeah, ooh, he's taking my car. He's taking my drifting BMW car. Why? Why the fuck? That was my drifting BMW car. Okay. Yeah. Say bye bye to the girlito. She was the best cleaning lady ever. My mate in Slovenia. Anyway, yeah. There you have another cleaning lady. Oh, she's making a show for us. Okay. Oh yeah, they have to take down these stands there. Anyway, whatever they have to do, you know. Anyway, we have another cleaning lady here. Anyway. Okay, we are going back to the parking lot. Let's say bye bye, cleaning lady. You were the wife I was never supposed to have, but okay. Yeah. Good one. Okay. Here we have the one-headed guy. I mean, it's only his head. Yeah. This was Big Joe in another life. See, Yuri Gagarin, the first man in Cosmos. No, he's actually Branko Ivanush. Okay, he's Branko. Okay, he's Branko. Anyway, and there's the burrito scene here at the airport. If you want to get drunk at the airport in Slovenia, you can get fucking drunk in the airport. Okay. I'll stop babbling now. No, maybe we find a girlito here, but I'm not sure, guys. Okay. So yeah, this is the parking. You want to hit me? Stop, old man. Stop. Okay. So yeah, this is the airport in Lesce. There's the watchtower. Look, there's the watchtower. Okay. So yeah, this was Lesce Airport, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. And yeah, there's Bled Lake. Somewhere there is Bled Lake. Okay, like 3 kilometers away from here. The most famous lake of Slovenia, whatever, the Alpine Lake, you know. And look at these flies. Pizda. I'm like a fly master. Come to Big Daddy, yes, come to Big Daddy. Do you see the flies? I don't know if the camera picks them up. Anyway, guys, this was the video for today. I hope you liked it. Be sure to share, subscribe, like, whatever you fucking do. Do it, okay? Yes. Hello, girlito. Hello. Anyway, yes. This was today's video, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. And if you didn't enjoy it, go cross the fucking mountains and go to fucking Austria, okay? Until then, we are in Slovenia. Look at the plane. The plane is there. Ooh. And we have the drunk Slovenian surfing. Okay, guys. Until next time. I salute you. Big Joe salutes you. And yeah. See you in my next one. Next one. Okay, let's wait for the motorbike guy to come by. Otherwise, I don't know what. There's the motorbike guy. Yeah, this is the motorbike guy. Anyway, until next time, I salute you, and yeah, I will see you in my next one, guys. Okay, I will see you in my next one. Take care, guys. So thank you for watching, and Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Be sure to leave your comment down below. Check out my video up there in the corner. See you in the next one, guys.